Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulidina Jihanifia with register number 1709620059 from Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economic, Jakarta State University. And I'm here to be present about the thesis presentation, the influence of entrepreneurial motivation and entrepreneurial mentally on student interest in internship, student of education study program, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Okay, the chapter 1 is introduction. The first, we talk about the research background in ASEAN, such as Singapore 7%, Malaysia 5%, Thailand 4.5%, and Vietnam 3.3% of the total numbers of entrepreneurs. The benchmark of development country is reviewed from the percentage of the number of entrepreneurs. It is at least 2% of the total population. Indonesia is still far behind neighboring countries that have a higher number of entrepreneurs. This is a quite disappointing considering that Indonesia has very abundant natural resources due to the lack of innovation and creativity of the people of Indonesia in utilizing this research. The next is the number of entrepreneurs in Indonesia at the same time still show a very small percentage, which is less more than 2%. Puspayoga as the Minister of Cooperative and Small and Medium Enterprise of the Republic of Indonesia said in detik.com 2021 that currently Indonesia only has 1.65% of entrepreneurs out of around 2,058 million people in the country. Indonesia still need around 90,000 new entrepreneurs to reach the 2% mark. It's from Purnama 2010. Okay, the next one is still in research background. Students are graduates from high school who are most equipped with knowledge about internship, but the data show that graduates from high school have little interest in entrepreneurship, such as the result of data research by katadata.com, where the majority of entrepreneurial actors are still dominated by elementary school graduates and at least universities graduate diplomas. Meanwhile, the result of research from the Minister of Investment, Bahlil Lahadalia, state that as many as 83% of students want to work as employees after they graduate, and only as many as 4% are interested in entrepreneurship. This indicates that there is still a lack of interest among students in entrepreneurship related to its impact on the small number of entrepreneurs in Indonesia. Okay, the pre-research is meanwhile is the research also conducted pre-research related to entrepreneurial interest among education students of the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, where the results are the following. There's interest from internship. Okay, the formula problem. First one is, does entrepreneurial motivation have a direct effect on students' interest in internship? The second one is, does the entrepreneurial mentally have a direct effect on student interest in internship. And the last one is, does entrepreneurial motivation and mentally have a direct effect on student interest in internship? Okay, the next one is research objective. Research objective, the first one is to find out, test, and analyze the direct influence of entrepreneurial motivation on educate and on student entrepreneurial interest. The second is to know, test, and analyze the direct influence of entrepreneurial mentally on entrepreneurial interest in students. The last is the find out, the test, analyze, and influence of entrepreneurial motivation and mentally on student interest in entrepreneurship. Okay, the research benefits. The research benefits, first one is for the next research. Then this research can be a study material in adding knowledge for future research on various things that can affect entrepreneurial interest, especially about the influence of entrepreneurial motivation and mentally on entrepreneurial interest. And the second is for the research. For this research can be used as the reference for future research in conducting research. In addition, the result of this research can increase knowledge in applying the knowledge that has been obtained during lectures with conducting condition that occur in the field, and increase experience in conducting research related to the title race. Okay, the next one is for the university. The research can be an input for the Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta, in understanding the problem faced related to student interest in internship, so that the campus is able to provide a solution according to student needs. This research can be used as a reading material and source of information about internship. It is hoped that it can be used as consideration for student in choosing a job after graduation. It can also encourage student knowledge related to internship. And the last one for the research benefit is for the community and government. This research is useful to help change the mindset from a worker to a person who can create job. In addition, it can also reduce the unemployment rate in Indonesia at the university level. Okay, next is chapter 2 from literature review. Okay, supporting theory. The first one is entrepreneurial interest. That's a variable Y in the journal from Sari et al. 2022. Interest is the desired interest and willingness of the individual to work hard to meet his or her life needs without fear of the risks that will occur. And the second one is entrepreneurial motivation. That's a variable x1. Motivation is something that moves a person or group of the people to do not something. That's from Laka et al. 2020. The last one is entrepreneurial mentally. That's x2. Mental is something that exists in very human being, which cannot be seen by the A directly, and both are related to a personality. The entrepreneurial mentally can be interpreted as the mentally of a person who mind is always trying to find, utilize, and create business opportunities. That's from Zulianti and Nawawi 2022. Okay, this is relevant research. The first one is from Rauf, that's the effect of internship education, self-efficacy, and gender internship, attention, job internship, attitude, study in management study program, student, Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Makassar. And there's many relevant research that have in this research, in this thesis, they have 11 or 12? Okay, 12 the relevant research in literature review. Okay, the next one is theoretical framework. The independent variable is entrepreneurial motivation, that's X1, and the X2 is entrepreneurial mentally. Independent variable is interest in internship. The search is from Brata, Zulianti, Nurianto, Gea, and Kuzaini, Zulianti and Nawawi, Pradana and Savitri, Agung Sumaryanto. The information motivation has a positive and significant effect on entrepreneurial interest, and entrepreneurial mentally has a significant positive effect on entrepreneurial interest. Okay, the hypothesis development. This is a this is a picture from research constellation. It's motivation and mentally internship and interest internship. The hypothesis H1 is the entrepreneurial motivation has a direct and a significant impact on student entrepreneurial interest, and the second is entrepreneurial mentally has a direct and significant impact on student entrepreneurial interest. The last one is motivation and mental have a direct and significant impact on student entrepreneurial interest. Okay, the chapter 3 is the research methodology. Okay, in this research methodology, we have discussion about the research place, research period, research design, data collection technique. The research place is a Faculty of Economy, Jakarta State University Education from study program, office administration education, business education, and economics education and accounting education. There's a four study program, and this research is starting from month of May until September. This is in this month. Research design is quantitative. Research method, causal descriptive analysis, and data collection technique is primary data in the form of a survey with a Likert scale. Okay, the next one is population and sample. The population in this study is research of student of the Faculty of Economics Study Education Study Program, Office Administration Education, Business Education, Economics Education, Accounting Education, the class of 2020 State University of Jakarta. There's from economics education is 84, and from office administration education is 92, and accounting education is 50, and business education is 85. There's a 30,111 the sample. So we have to do sampling this population. The sampling was obtained using non-probability sampling, namely confidence sampling, based on the solving from formula with an error rate of 5%. The population of from education study program, that's at 311, and the population for the study is 175 students. Okay, data collecting technique is according to OE et al. 2020. Primary data is a data source that directly provides data to the data collector, or in other words, primary data is information obtained from the most important source, such as interview result or questionnaire result. And according to OE et al. 2020, secondary data is source that not directly provide data to data collectors. This is Likert scale with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's notes in like and not like. Okay, in data analysis technique, the first one is data quality test. That's validity test and reliability test. The second one is requirement test. That's normality test and linearity test. The third is classical assumption test. That's multiple linearity test and heteroscedasticity test and the multiple regression equation test, and the last one is hypothesis test. There's a coefficient of determinant test, F test, and T test. Okay, the chapter 4 is result and discussion. Okay, the chapter 4, result and discussion, the validity test, that's a validity test from variable Y, variable X1, variable X2, the variable, this variable is, all variable have a calculate R values greater than table R, that's 0.148, so that is declared valid. All these validity test is valid because that's a variable r variable greater than tables r in uh, 0.148. Okay, next one is reliability test. The reliability test is all variable of the research instruments has a Cronbach alpha value above uh, 0, 0.6, so that is considered reliable. The data description, the entrepreneurial interest variable had a fringe value of 49.78 with a standard deviation of 66.793, which means that most respondents had a high interest in internship. The entrepreneurial motivation variable had an average of 124.83 with a standard deviation of 13.154, which mean that the respondent had high motivation with large variation, and the entrepreneurial mental variable show on average of to 28.16 with a standard deviation of 4.3064, which means that the respondents are mentally ready to be entrepreneurial with a small variation. Okay, next one is classical assumption. The classical assumption is there's a normal p-plot regression and a histogram that's most extreme difference. And classical assumption test is multicollinearity test. That's the tolerance value is more than 0.1, and for the fifth value is less than 10, so that there are no symptoms or multicollinearity in the research data. Next is the classical assumption test is hashtag coordinacy test. Check the tetraploid graph. The result is obtained that the dots spread above the below zero and spread far away from the y-axis and without forming a specific pattern. This means that there are no symptoms from the heteroscedasticity in the study. Okay, the hypothesis test, multiple linear regression test is the variable here. Uh, 14.357 plus 0.2026, that's x1, and n plus 0.2045, that's x2. The hypothesis test is the t-test and p-test, f-test. The t-test is x1, significant value 0.000, less than 0.05, and x2 is significant value 0.031, less than 0.05. The f-test is significant value is 0.000, less than 0.05. The same thing is all variable has have a simultaneous effect. The next one is coefficient of determination. The determination is r square is 0.2080. The same thing means as 28%. The r square. Okay, in this discussion, H1 the effect of hypothesis one from the effect of entrepreneurial motivation on entrepreneurial interest. The results of the calculation in this study are known that entrepreneurial motivation is the x1 partially has a significant influence on the entrepreneurial interest, that's a variable Y, of education student of Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta. This is in line with research conducted by Widyaningsih 2021, Sumarta et al. 2020, Adnan Meftahuddin 2020, and the last one is Pratama et al. 2024. And the second discussion is from um, hypothesis 2, the influence of entrepreneurial mentally on entrepreneurial interest. The result of the calculation in this study are known that the entrepreneurial mind X2 partially has a significant influence on the entrepreneurial interest, that's variable Y, of education student of the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta. This is in line with research conducting by Amalia et al. 2024, Lubis and Maha 2021, Kirana et al. 2024, and Zulianti and Nawawi 2022. The last discussion is from hypothesis 3, the third hypothesis, the effect of entrepreneurial motivation and entrepreneurial mentally on entrepreneurial interest. The result of the calculation in this study are known that entrepreneurial motivation, that's X1, and entrepreneurial mentally X2, simultaneous have a significant effect on the entrepreneurial interest in variable Y of educational student of the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. This is in line with the research conducted by Lubis and Maha 2021, Zulianti and Nawawi 2022, Pradana and Savitri 2020, and Novianti and Habra 2022. Okay, the chapter 5, the last chapter is closing. First one in closing, we discuss about the conclusion. First conclusion is there as a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurial motivation, that's variable x1, and entrepreneurial interest, that's variable y. The second one conclusion is there is a positive and significant influence within entrepreneurial mentally, that's variable x2, and entrepreneurial interest is variable y. That's motivation and entrepreneurial mentally together can significantly affect entrepreneurial interest. Okay, next one is the implication. The implication, that's three part. There are three part. Part 1 is entrepreneurial interest this variable Y, the importance of more comprehensive integration of entrepreneurship education in higher education institution. In adding to theory, the curriculum needs to be strengthened with a participant approach that focus on increasing student motivation and mental readiness in entrepreneurship. So that is increase interest and readiness for to enter the business world. And the implication is second is entrepreneur motivation. That's X1. And yes, that's X1. The result of research can be used and reversed for designing policies that can develop entrepreneurship among the younger generation, policies that encourage wider access to entrepreneurship training programs, especially those that focus on strengthening motivation and mentally in order to increase interest in entrepreneurship in the community. And the last one is entrepreneur mentally, that's X2. The implication is the entrepreneurial practitioners can take advantage of the finding by emphasizing the motivational and mental aspect the when accompanying prospective entrepreneurs holistic mentorship approach which include not only technical but also psychological aspect which includes not only technical but also psychological aspect will have a change of business success. Okay, thank you for this thesis presentation. See you next time. And there's from me, I'm sorry for any mistaken. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.